How to use voice commands in Google Docs voice typing. It's very simple and quick to do. If you just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Here I have opened up a plain document in Google Docs, and now to enable voice typing, what I need to do is first of all go to this tiny icon on the top left corner, open it, and here you will find this microphone. Make sure you enable this permission right here in order to use voice typing. To use voice commands, simply press Ctrl Shift and S. It will enable voice typing right here. And now how to use them, there's a proper list of voice commands that you can go and open in any AI. Let me just show you how this works. Select introduction. See, here I asked it to select introduction and it has selected it. Now I can ask it to apply heading 1. Apply heading 1. Just like that, here I can use these voice commands to type and to do formatting. In order to use these commands in a proper way, you can go to any AI like ChatGPT or Gemini. Here you can simply type Google Docs all voice typing commands, and it will give you all these common commands that you need to know in order to start with the voice typing in Google Docs. I hope you found this really helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to the channel.